Welcome, welcome. In this video, we're going to cover an overview of the GA4 report navigation and how you can change the navigation layout. For the rest of the out-of-the-box reports, your report layout in the left navigation will depend on what goals and objectives were chosen when the account was created. In this example, we have two sections. One is the lifecycle, which shows you the user journey. In the user section, there are reports on demographics and the technology they're using to access your web property. If another objective was chosen on setup from one of the objectives in the left column here, then the default reports in the right column is what you would see. There's a link to this documentation in the description. All of these out-of-the-box reports, except for the real-time report, but including the report snapshot, can be customized. If you want to change the navigation layout, click on Library in the lower left corner of the left navigation menu. In the collection section, you can see which collections are published and unpublished, indicating what's in the left navigation menu. You can edit a collection or create a new collection. If you create a new collection, there are templates that correspond to the objectives from the documentation mentioned earlier. Whether you choose to build a new collection from scratch or use a template, you can add reports from the right column to your collection in the left column, or remove reports from your collection. Save your report. You can go back to the main library page and see your collection in the collection section, and you can either publish or unpublish any collections that you wish. If you want a tutorial that covers events, conversions, and all the reports in GA4, check the link on the screen or in the description. So if you found this useful, please like, comment, subscribe, and if you want more content on digital analytics, including tracking, reporting, analysis, we'll see you in the next episode.